In today's video, you will learn how to recover unsaved documents in Microsoft Word. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. If Microsoft Word ever closes unexpectedly or a document was not saved properly, there is a built-in recovery feature that can help you get that file back. Start by selecting the File tab. This section is where Word stores important document-related information, including recovery options. Once you are inside the file area, look toward the left panel and select Info. The Info section provides details about the current document and also includes tools for managing and restoring files. Under the Manage Document section, locate and select the option labeled Recover Unsaved Documents. When you choose this option, Word will display a list of recent documents that were automatically recovered. These files are usually created when Word closes unexpectedly or when a document was not manually saved before exiting. Take a moment to review the list of recovered documents shown on the screen. The files are typically labeled as recovered versions, making them easier to identify. Select the document you want to restore by clicking on it. Once opened, you should be able to review the contents to confirm that it is the correct file and that the information you need is present. When the recovered document is open, look for the option that says Save As. Selecting Save As is important because recovered files are temporary until they are saved manually. Choose Save As, then decide where you want to store the file. Saving it to the desktop can make it easier to find later, but you can choose any location that works best for you. After selecting the desired location, select Save. This final step ensures that the recovered document is stored safely and can be opened normally in the future without relying on the recovery feature. Once saved, the document becomes a regular Word file, just like any other. And there you go. The process is pretty straightforward and can be a real lifesaver when dealing with unexpected closures or unsaved work. Using the recovery feature quickly can help prevent data loss and reduce frustration when working on important documents. As always, I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I do look forward to catching you in the next tutorial video.